Here, let's go back.
Hey YouTube, what's up guys? Today we're in the kitchen and we're unboxing the Breville. It's a 700 watts juice extractor. For those of you guys who've been following me, you know I do my green juice. I have my own machine that I've been using for quite a few years. There it is, the juicer fountain compact, 700 watts. There should be only 3 parts to put together in there. Hopefully like this, you know. So let's go ahead and open this up and plug this in there. On and off switch on the side. Oh, pretty quiet. When I juice pretty simple. My juice is usually green juice, so I usually do kale, cucumber, lots of juice from that. I usually throw in lettuce in there. I usually go with collard green or spinach, and I try to go with green apples. Green apples just to cut them to make it taste better, and basically that's all I do. I do put some ginger in it every now and then. This is really good for the digestive system, so you can put a little bit of ginger in there if you choose to. It's just up to you, but I try to stay as green as possible. So let's go ahead and start doing this right now. Nice. Let's try this. Whoa, man. I am loving this. Let's try the apple. Oh yeah. Let's try a little piece. Try some ginger. Try a head of lettuce. Smell the ginger in there. Just gonna pump it in. Wow. This one, what I notice is this here stays like nothing stays. This is almost empty. This is almost clean because it throws it on the side. Wow, this is pretty dry. This is pretty dry on this side here. This is amazing. I'm liking this. So when I'm done the first phase of juicing, usually I pour it in that big bottle right here, and I continue juicing. And then when I'm done, I mix and I pour it in individual bottles, the smaller bottles like those here. I kind of separate it for each bottle is per day. So I use glass bottles and I close it really tight. And when I open it per day, I try to use and finish each bottle because juice will normally last you around 3 days. You don't want to go longer than 3 days. So when you juice, consume it in 2 to 3 days. Don't keep it in big bottles because when you open it up and air get in there, when you use it, it will start going. You will see it start going brown. When the juice start going brown, that means it's losing all the nutrients and stuff in there. I'll tell you guys, one thing that I always put in my juice is celery. I always put celery in there. I know you would think celery tastes really bad, but this is really good. So I usually put this in there. You get a lot of juice from that. So here we go. Guys, we have 3 of them for 3 different days. You want to make sure that you close this, keep it fresh, no air goes in there. All those use plastic containers. Only jars and glass containers, guys. Warm water. These are usually dishwasher friendly. Everything you can just rinse this really easy, soak it down. Now the hardest thing to clean on these are going to be those things here. Usually it comes with a brush. See right here, if you guys can see, it's green. You just rinse it out, just like that. Really easy. There you go, nice and clean. The rest of this is pretty much nothing. Take this out, just like that. Empty this out. Just rinse it out. So guys, this was the Breville juice fountain extractor. Amazon, $89.90 on Amazon. I will leave all the link in the description down below. I highly recommend this. It's quick, it's fast. You can juice almost any type of fruits and vegetables in there, and I highly recommend it. It's pretty quiet compared to my other juicer, and I'm giving it a thumbs up. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'm out.